Tips to look clean and put together every day. Want to look clean and neat every day? In this video I will talk about hygiene, clothing, accessories, grooming and confidence. Begin with a good hygiene routine. Keep your nails clean and trimmed to prevent dirt and germs from accumulating. Wash your hair regularly to keep it clean and free from dirt and excess oils. Wear clean clothes and change them regularly, especially after sweating. Dress with intention. Select attire that complements your body shape. Well-fitted clothes instantly elevate your appearance. Iron or steam your clothes to ensure they're wrinkle-free. This can make a big difference in your appearance. Accessorize thoughtfully. Select accessories that enhance your overall look. A well-chosen belt, watch, or necklace can add a touch of sophistication. Grooming matters. Give attention to your hair and grooming. A neat and cute hairstyle can significantly enhance your overall appearance. For those who prefer makeup, opt for a natural and minimal look. Subtle enhancements can give you a fresh and radiant glow. Don't forget about your shoes. Clean and well-maintained footwear complements your outfit and completes the overall look. Wear your confidence. Stand tall, maintain eye contact, and smile. Confidence is the ultimate accessory that ties your entire look together. You have reached the end of this video. By incorporating these tips into your routine, you can effortlessly achieve a clean and put together appearance like wonyoung, leaving a positive impression wherever you go.